You will learn in this lesson more selecting techniques to select entities in a SketchUp with a better way. With Select tool, you can click with left click on this edge to select it. If you click double click, you will select these two faces, which are connected with selected edge. So if we want to select these two faces instead, select each face individually. Double-click on this edge to select both. When you select one entity and want to add other entities to this selection, you can hold Ctrl key and add more entities. Also, you can use previous techniques, dragging from right to left, with holding Ctrl to add it to selection. With Shift key, you can add or subtract entities from the selection. For example, subtract this cube and add this sphere. By Ctrl and Shift, you can subtract instances from selection. To subtract these cubes, hold Ctrl and Shift to subtract them like this. But if we want to select everything, except entities already selected, we will press Ctrl-Shift-I. All entities are selected except the previous selection. Which are these spheres? To select none, press Ctrl-T. To select all entities, press Ctrl-A. Thus, you can select all entities in the project, or if it's one of the group or component, and want to select all entities in it. So press Ctrl-A. We use tags as an effective tool to arrange and classification project entities, for categorize as a main purpose. So you can turn on and turn off any tag. Of the tags you made, I will show you how to do that. We will let this cube here. Triple click to select it all. Press delete. And this group also. We will have those three categories. Tags in previous versions of SketchUp was called layers. Here called tags, so why the name was changed. Maybe cause of SketchUp doesn't depend on layer system. Like Photoshop, for example. In Photoshop, if there is a layer above, other layer in the arrangement, so you will not see the first layer which is under it. But in SketchUp, this system didn't exist, so the name changed it to tags instead of layers. Here in Tags dialog, there is a plus icon to add a new tag. Also, there is a basic tag called untagged. It's preferable to work on it and make this bin icon on it, in which the basic geometries be on it, and categorize groups, components, etc. on new tags. This point is important. To add each category on a tag, create a new tag, click a tag. Name it 1. Another tag, name it 2. Third, name it 3, and we will select each type. Select pyramids. Selection boundary was from left to right. These pyramids are selected and ported on tag 3. But how port it on 3 while it is on untagged? From Entity Info dialog, which is fundamental in the work. You can choose tag 4 selected entities. Choose tag 3. After that, select spheres with same previous technique. And port spheres on tag 1. After that, select cubes. Note that this cube not included in selection. To add the third cube, hold on Control and select it. Thus, 3 cubes are selected, both them on tag 2. Now every type of shapes existing on a different tag. Mean tag 1 for spheres. Hide tag 2 for cubes, tag 3 for pyramids. If there are some tags not required, you can select it, right-click and delete. In tray number 1, which we made, there is a dialog for scenes. Click on it. What is scene in Sketchup and why we use its dialog? Scene in a Sketchup is shot or a specific view angle. That save options and properties, which we specify it. These properties including camera location, top-level hidden geometry, hidden objects visible tags, active section planes, style and fog, shadow settings access location. For example, visible tags. It is for turn it on tags which have the eye icon on. As the last lesson, first scene to add is modeling scene. We name it modeling, cause of we do the modeling process in it. And most model appear in it. To add it, click on plus icon. Find here, and you see rename it modeling. Press enter to confirm the name. After that, I will change camera location with orbit. Hold scroll and move mouse to left and add a new scene. Click at scene and name it 1+3. Then press enter. So tag 1 and tag 3, which will be shown in this scene. Turn of tag 2. To save the scene as shown, click on update icon here. Click update. Only these tags appear in this scene. Back to modeling scene with one click on it. And if we turn it on 1+3 scene, we will see those two tags only. Then we will make another scene and name it 1+2. Press enter and turn on 1 and 2 only. Then change camera location with orbit. Click on update. Now we have 3 scenes 1+2, 1+3 and modeling. Between every scene and the other one, there is a transition. To unactivate this transition, for immediate moving between scenes, click on View menu Animation, choose Settings, and uncheck Scene Transitions. Close the window now. We can moving through scenes immediately with no transitions. To be continued in part 6. Thank you for watching.